Our intervention is located at Kievsky Station, a train and subway station integrated into the urban network associated with fossil fuels. We imagine how the station could be integrated in a post-carbon city of the future. Kievsky Station, considered as an icon of the city of Moscow, it is not only the neoclassical facade volume or the Shukhov pier that represents its exterior visible form, but a whole network of spaces that surround it, such as the metro station itself, the shopping center, the park, or the river. The station is a busy place where around 3.7 million people pass through every month and which absorbs part of the activity related to the shopping center next to it, which in turn welcomes almost 5 million people every month. After our first analysis, we believe the station should be a permeable entity, both above and underground, something that is not expressed in its current appearance. This is why our proposal will try to open the station towards the city and to all these people who already use it, giving them a more comfortable experience.
A 21st century user not only uses the station for the displacement but also to connect with the environment and the world. The Moscow metro network, as well as most of the city's green spaces, have free Wi-Fi connection, showing that there are two public spaces where the user is highly connected to information, under and above the ground. This duality of what is above and what is below, what is seen and what is not, will be key in the development of my project, a TV, radio and media broadcasting space divided into two sets. Underground, the program that requires great absence of noise, and above, those related to media projection. Furthermore, I will use vegetation as a guiding concept because just like plants grow their roots underground but blossom above, my project will connect what happens under the ground with what happens above it.
On my first approach, I was amazed by the richness and monumentality of this building and of the metro underneath. I was amazed because of the strong contrast to the residential areas of the Moscow suburbs, a modernist paradigm of social housing that has resulted to be grey and out of scale. My proposal working with the north facade is opening the station and metro towards the existing plaza and shopping mall, always promoting the richness and materiality and detail present in the architecture. This will allow me to experiment with the value and future approaches to materiality, renewing the meaning of monumentality, richness, and public character of this building.
The influx of people throughout the day and week has been studied both in the Europe Shopping Center and in the Kievsky Station to obtain a potential purchase intention or the wandering of citizens and tourists in these crowded places. In the first approach to solve the low recycling of 12% that occurs nowadays in Moscow, a reward program is proposed for users who recycle, rewarding them with benefits in services or tourism in the city to encourage interest in reverse this critical situation. Recycling is proposed throughout a network buried in each neighborhood that could lead to a waste processing center where waste are converted into raw materials. The use would be complemented with a vertical fund that would receive the compost of the processed organic waste.
With these three different approaches, we will join forces to make the station more permeable to the people and provide it with a quality public space.